In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions to your video. Captions are a simple but very important feature because they make your content easier to understand and more accessible for viewers. They can help people follow along in noisy environments, support viewers who are hard of hearing, and even improve overall engagement. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process for adding captions so they appear correctly on your video. To begin, open the video you want to work on. Make sure you're in the correct editing or management area where your video settings are available. Once the video is open, look for the captions section and click on it. This is where you'll be able to create, upload, or edit subtitle information for your content. After you enter the captions area, you'll have two main options for adding your text. You can click Upload File if you already have a caption file prepared in SRT format, which is one of the most common subtitle file types. This is usually the best choice if your captions have already been written and timed because it allows the platform to place the text at the correct moments in the video automatically. If you don't have an SRT file ready, you can also type the captions manually. This option is helpful if you're creating them directly on the platform or making quick adjustments yourself. Once your captions have been added, the next step is to set the language. Choose the correct language for the captions so the platform can label them properly for viewers. This is an important detail because it helps with accessibility and ensures your audience knows exactly which caption track they are using. After selecting the language, save your changes. When everything is saved successfully, the captions will show up for viewers on the video. That means people will be able to turn them on while watching, which can make your content much easier to follow. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to quickly review the video and confirm that the captions appear as expected and match the spoken content clearly. And that's it. By opening your videos, going to the caption section, uploading an SRT file or typing manually, setting the language, and saving, you can make sure captions are available for your audience in just a few steps.